Hi,
Hi,
who is?
Fredsonn Silva Agudá, someone that you must know. I am a stylist and a fashion designer from Brazil.
Well, hello.
Hi.
Who inspire you?
Art inspired me. Yeah.
Name 3 Canadian designer you love to work with.
Rowan James for sure. I love him. Shelly, she has my soul. And the number 3 will be Christoph Bates. Very successful.
What's something you notice about someone when you first meet them?
I look to the eyes. Yeah.
The eye is the wind of the soul.
There you go. You know better.
What exciting thing in Canadian fashion right now?
It's very exciting to see the fashion is growing in Canada, and I'm so pleased to be part of this growing.
You just did your first show a few weeks ago.
Oh my God! Woo. I didn't sleep for one whole week. I'm telling you.
What it's like to have your first show on a fashion runway?
Amazing. Oof! I was in heaven because I waited for that for so long, and when it happened, it just like blowing my mind.
Who is your fashion legend?
My mom, for sure. Yeah, she always. I love the way she presents herself to the world.
What one thing people do not know about you?
I never sleep.
I think it's normal. What opportunity would you like to have if you are starting out in the fashion industry right now?
I would love have my collection in Milan. Yeah.
So in Europe?
Yes.
What's the best piece of advice you ever received?
Be yourself and never let fear stop you. Even if you are afraid of something, just do it.
Yes, that's great advice. So we're going to the rapid fire word association.
So soon. All right, let's go.
Model,
No, I'm comfortable.
beauty,
Be myself.
all
Yeah.
Hollywood. All Hollywood.
It's the great times ever.
Glamorous,
Will be Nicole Kidman. I love the way she presents herself.
runway.
Backstage is the best part to be ever.
Thank you, Fredsonn.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.